Good morning, traders. It is Monday, October 27th, 2014, and I am just here. I hit a code 2 trade for 100 ticks. My first entry, I lost 6 ticks, and my second entry, I hit 100 ticks, so ended up with, that's 97 ticks right there. Or no, 94 ticks. Yeah, I lost 6 ticks. So 94 ticks, that is, netted. First entry was wrong. I was using code 1 into the code 2. It got broken, so I got back out, and then I took another code 1 entry into the code 2 and hit it. Not hard. It's not hard to do, you know. But that's how you make the real money. If you want to make as much money as you possibly can trading, then you want to hit the code 2. The code 2 for the oil futures market, CL, is the most powerful and profitable trading system in the world by 10,000 times. There's no trading system anywhere in the world that could even come close to comparing to it. It is the ultimate trading system. Code 1 is fantastic. Code 1 is the whole matrix for the whole entire movement. But Code 2 is absolutely the most powerful system there is in the world. And Code 2 doesn't work on anything except for oil, at least that I know of. So, you know, this is a gift horse in the mouth that few people anywhere in the world would ever even believe is possible. And the whole reason for it is because they have put the entire financial system under the control of a computer program where a computer is moving it up and down. There are no bids right there. There are no asks right there. Those bids, those asks are not making the price go up and down. A computer is making the prices go up and down. There could be 100 billion bids right here or 1 trillion asks, and it would make no difference. It's going to go up and down in a predetermined fashion by a computer program. Code 2 is a representation of that computer program on a larger scale. I just easily hit 100 ticks. 100 ticks today off the code 2. Now, I don't want to give away what I'm doing because this is worth a fortune. This is worth an absolute fortune. And guess what? I only charge $400 for the code 2 with $600 for $400 for each, for the one for the code 2, one for the code 1. $400 for the code 2. On your first trade, you could make 100 ticks. I mean, first of all, I've had so many people tell me that you shouldn't sell this, and if you do, you need to sell it for $10,000. But I'm not going to sell it for $10,000. This is controlled by a computer. I think that people need to be aware of that, and I think that it's okay for people to make money from that, considering the bigger picture of everything, the bigger picture of what they're really doing. I don't want to get into that right now, but there's a bigger thing going on than just this being controlled by a computer. I am out to help people learn how to make money by trading, taking advantage of this corruption. There's something much larger going on that I don't want to elaborate about it right now. But just trust me, what I am doing is right. And I'm in the right by teaching people. And everything that I say is 100% the truth. Don't let anybody fool you about that. It's 100% the truth. And everything that I'm showing you is 100% the truth. 100% the truth. So, I know there's a million scams out there, and I'm really sorry about that. It's not my fault. I didn't do it. What I'm doing is true. What I'm saying is real. It's not a scam. And that you really can do this. I really am here to help you learn. And as far as I'm concerned, this is the greatest opportunity that I have ever seen before for the average person to be able to make a living, a good living. And I'm not trying to teach you this so that you could become rich. Becoming rich isn't becoming rich is not a goal. Don't let anybody fool you. Just make a living. Help other people who are less fortunate. So I just wanted to come in and explain what I have done today. It's the Code 2 trade. Of course, I use Code 1 to get into a Code 2 trade. You got to do that. Well, you don't have to do that, but it helps. It helps to keep your losses small. That's why I had a 6-tick loss. Now, I would have won anyway if I hadn't have had that. If I wouldn't have gotten out and just kept a 20-tick stop on there, I would have won anyway. But hindsight is 20/20. You always want to keep your losses small. That's how you make money. Keep your losses small and then hit your winners. You'll make money. As soon as you start trying not to lose and you hit and you play these big stops, well, that's when you go down off a cliff. Okay, so I have hit the 1 Code 2 trade today. I can go ahead and take some Code 1 entries if I want. What I'm going to do is figure out the code real quick, and I may come back and take another entry or two for Code 1. A couple more entries today, and before I wrap it up, and I'll be back shortly. I'd just like to inspire all of you out there who are sitting on the sidelines and haven't gotten involved with this yet. Believe me, you want to get involved with this. Don't listen to what other people say. People who don't want you to know this information, don't listen to them. Listen to a scientist. Listen to somebody who speaks the truth, not con artists, liars, and Freemasons. Listen to somebody who speaks the truth, which is me. And, learn how to do this. I'm available in Skype, for help. I've been helping lots of people. That really works really super well. Just helped a guy from Germany yesterday, and in one Skype meeting, all of a sudden, boom, he understood everything and is going good now. And maybe another Skype meeting or two meeting with him, he'll have it down completely. Be all on his own, knowing how to do this exactly. Doesn't need help from anybody. No trading rooms, no signals, no nothing like that. Does it all himself. That's my goal, is to teach people that. You don't want to have to rely on all that other stuff. Okay, so I'm going to come back and I'll see if I can't get an entry or two off of Code 1. I just got to figure out what it is real quick. And then I will come back and make a trade or two and call it a day. Great. Okay, I am trying to get in right here at 93. I've got a short entry. Where did it just go to? It just went to 92. It just went to 92. I'm at 93. Oh, no. Don't you go down yet. Okay, I'm gonna take it down a couple. I'm gonna take it down to 91. Trying to get in. Just need to pop back up for a sec. Come on. There you go. Pop up. Pop up. This is a really good entry here. This thing's gonna drop out. Code 2 says it's gonna go down. I'm trying to get in. Come on. Pop up. No. Don't you go down yet. I really don't want to have to chase this thing. Come on. Okay. One down. Come on, pop up. No. Don't go down yet. Come on. Sometimes you gotta be patient, Come on. See? Pop back up. Here we go. Okay, there we go. I'm in. That's all I really wanted, was to get in, to make sure I get in. It doesn't matter if it comes up a little bit here. Let me see. What does my 90? Yeah, I'm good to go here. I am good to go. This thing's going to drop out. Watch. It's very unique. For those of you Code 2 players out there playing this one trade per day strategy, this is a unique day. you know, this doesn't come around every day. It's not the best one in the world. The daily chart doesn't look super good, neither does the 10-minute. Neither one of the charts look really super good, but the actual code looks good, and it should go down at least 20, if not more, like maybe even 40. We'll see. We'll see. How about if I put the exit at, well, let's just keep going with the 20 every day, because the 20 is, on this particular trade, because the 20 is high math. Let's just keep the math really high. So I'm going to put this down to 80.70 on the exit. Okay. I've still got it for 100 ticks from earlier today. 80.70 on the exit. Okay. Exit's right there for 20 ticks. This trade should be good for 20 ticks. Let me just check something really quick. Stand by, be right back. Yeah, I'm doing good here, and 20 ticks should be, 20 ticks should be high math today. And the reason why is because it's so tight. Whenever you see it tight like that, it'll generally always do the 20. Because if it was big, large, then it already made its move. Hasn't made its move yet. So it may not drop out, but it's going to go down. And 20 ticks should be in the bag. So I will come back and show you the progression and the outcome of this trade. For those of you that know what this is, what I'm doing, it would have been technically better if I would have gotten a 91 entry. You could figure out why. But I was chasing it down. I wanted to get in. Okay, it's trying to go for the exit here. Got to keep an eye on it. Don't want it to go all the way down without putting a stop on. Let me go ahead and prepare that now. 80.89 on a break-even stop. Oh, never mind. Too late. Too late. Okay, so there you have it. Another 20 ticks using the one trade per day strategy of the covered in the code 2. And so let me think here. All I've done today is code 2. Yeah. Well, actually, I did take 2 code 1 entries to get into the initial code 2 trade. I lost 6 ticks on the first one, so I kept it real small. Always remember that. Keep it really small. Sure, if I hadn't have done that and I would have just held it, I wouldn't have lost anything. But how would I know that for sure? You see what I'm saying? One mistake. Don't let one mistake, because you're going to make mistakes. Don't let one mistake just wipe you down, or take your account down too far. Get the entry right. If it's wrong, get out for a small loss. Just make that as a 100% rule, and you'll be successful at this. Because it's not that hard to get yourself into a winning trade, and then you make money from that. Just don't get scared and get out. Let it hit the exits, which it just did. I was going to put a break-even stop on it, just let it go. It was going to hit, or wasn't. Well, before I even got a chance, it just boom, hit the exit. So I mean, sometimes it looks so easy. Sometimes it's struggle. Sometimes it's everywhere. As a trader, you have to be able to deal with all of it and put it all together, and not try to force anything to happen. Just whatever's going to happen is going to happen. Just what you need to worry about is having the right system. Obviously, the code is the best system that you could possibly get, as I am showing every day now. So I will be back tomorrow. I'm going to continue to play the code 2, and the whole thing. I could do so many different things. I could play the one trade per day strategy. I can play code 1 during the day. I can play code 2. I've got 3 different code 2s I can play. I mean, I've got a whole entire arsenal at my fingertips on anything I want to do, depending upon how I want to do it, depending upon what type of trading I want to do, depending upon how the chart looks. I mean, there's so many different things that this system is so powerful. You can basically do anything you want with it. That's how powerful it is. My code 1 and code 2 is the matrix to the whole entire movement. That's why you can be successful at trading, like no other system could possibly offer. It's a fact. It's 100% fact and truth. So I will be back tomorrow. I'm going to trade all week long, of course. I'm going to take a vacation soon, but I'm going to trade all week long, and further show and everything how effective the code 2 is. Of course, the code 1 as well. Oh, by the way, I've got some good news. I've got an exciting new product coming for you code traders out there. This one's going to shake the earth. This one's going to be for those of you struggling. It'll solve your problem. Solve your problem. So I'm working on that. It's in the works. It's going to take a little while longer, but it'll be available, and it's an exciting new product. I think it's going to be my best one I've ever offered, by far. Besides, of course, breaking the code itself. Not everyone will need this, only the people that are struggling. If you're struggling to find the code, it'll help you. Fix that problem for you. Okay, I'm going to go. I'll be back tomorrow to do some more trading. And as you can see, the 1 trade per day working good. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good, I hope you guys did well trading out there. Have a good night or day, depending upon where in the world you are right now. And I will be back tomorrow. Happy trading out there, traders.